Good morning, dear children. Welcome in GK class. Let's revise the fruits name and know about them. Then today we are going to do the exercises. So pay attention and see carefully, listen carefully and learn. Fruits, fruits. Once more, read with me. Fruits, fruits. Fruits means फल. Here is the apple. Apple, apple. Apple means save. A for apple. Red apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. Orange. 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 Orange is orange in color. It is juicy fruit and it is rich with vitamin C, which help us to fight with the diseases. Mango. 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 Yellow mango. M for mango. Mango is the king of all fruits. Grapes. 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 Grapes means अंगूर. Grapes are always found in bunch. ये हमेशा हमें कैसे मिलते हैं? bunch में, गुच्छे में. And this is banana. Yellow banana. B for banana. 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 Banana is a seedless fruit. इसमें बीज नहीं होते हैं. Seedless, बीज रहित फल है ये, है ना? This is papaya. 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 Papaya means papita. It is yellow and green in color and it is very good for our tummy. And here is the spelling of papa hidden in the papaya. Look. PAPA papa. PAPA papa. And YA या papaya. So देखा हमें यहाँ पे कौन मिल गए? पापा. Yes, इसमें पापा का स्पेलिंग छिपा है. Papaya. Papaya means papita. Now last day we meet with some more fruits. So see here. This is watermelon. WATER. Water. MELON. Melon. Watermelon. Tarboos. It is rich with water. So its name as watermelon. This is muskmelon. MUSK. Musk. MELON. Melon. Muskmelon. Tarboos. So look, there are two types of melons. Watermelon and muskmelon. And it is coconut. COCO. Coco. NUT. Nut. Coconut. Coconut means nariyal. It has water inside it. And this is kiwi. 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 Kiwi is very good for our immunity system. This is cherry. 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 C for cherry. Red cherry. Sweet cherry. We found it in cakes and ice creams. This is pineapple. PINE. Pine. APPLE. Apple. Pineapple. Ananas. It is also a seedless fruit. इसमें भी बीज नहीं होते हैं. And this one is strawberry. Wow, beautiful and sweet and sour. है ना? इसका टेस्ट कैसा होता है? Sweet and sour. Strawberry. 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 And it has seeds outside on it. Isn't it? These yellow dots are its seeds. So now it's time for practice. Now you know all these fruits name very well. So let's do some exercises. Now it's time for practice. here is the exercise. EXERCISE, exercise, abhyas. Rearrange the letters and make fruits name. Here are some fruits name and they have jumbled letters. Letters यहाँ वहाँ भाग गए हैं. आपको letters को क्या करना है? rearrange करना है, फिर से सजाना है और क्या बनाना है? fruits name. Okay, here is OANGER. इससे क्या कौन सा फ्रूट्स नेम बन सकता है इन लेटर्स से? देखिए ORANGE, orange. Yes, we got the fruit name orange. So here you have to write the correct name ORANGE, orange. And tell me, what is the name? What is this fruit? Yes, well done. Banana. BANANA, banana. And this one is, maybe it is mango, na? Yes, very good. Mango. MANGO, mango. And this one is, very well done. Kiwi. KIWI, kiwi. And this one is red apple. Well done. APPLE, apple. You have to arrange properly. And this one is cherry. Very good. And this one, papaya. PAPAYA, papaya. Yes. यहाँ पे किसका स्पेलिंग छिपा है? पापा का. PAPA, पापा. YA, या papaya. How you have to write? You have to write correctly PAPAYA, papaya. And which fruit is this? Yes, well done. Coconut. COCONUT, coconut. Well done. And here is one matching exercise for you. Here are the names of the fruits and here are the facts which are related with these fruits. So let's learn the names. Coconut, mango, strawberry, banana, grapes. Now we read these and then we match it. Okay. King of fruits. Here we have to write S. Okay. So I am going to write S. Now it is correct. King of fruits. Which is king of fruit? Which fruit is called as king of fruits? Yes, mango. Well done. Then we have to match it with mango. WATER, water. INSIDE, inside. Water inside. Inside means अंदर. किसके अंदर water होता है? चलिए देखते हैं. Yes, coconut के अंदर. Then match it. Now it is strawberry. Strawberry की खासियत क्या है कि उसके बीज कहाँ होते हैं? Outside, है ना? तो चलिए देखते हैं स्ट्रॉबेरी में सीड्स आउटसाइड कहाँ पे है? Yes, SEEDS, seeds. ON, on. OUT, out. SIDE, side, outside. Outside means बाहर. Yes, स्ट्रॉबेरी के बीज बाहर होते हैं. तो चलिए हम लोग इसको मैच कर देते हैं. Okay, now again we will read the fact, then we will match with the correct fruit. Okay. SEED, seed. LESS, less. Seedless means जिसमें बीज नहीं होते. अब देखिए किसमें बीज नहीं होते? Now we have two fruits name, banana and grapes. Yes, banana is the correct one. Then we have to match with banana. And the last one is found in bunch. BUNCH, bunch means गुच्छा. गुच्छे में हमें कौन सा फ्रूट मिलता है? Yes, grapes. Very good. Now we completed our exercise. So my dear children, you have to also complete this exercise. Okay, you do this exercise very carefully and properly.